Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Millie and today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a different kind of video. Today I'm going to be talking about some drugstore lashes that I really love to wear because I have hooded eyes. I used to be really into some more dramatic kind of lashes that were, back in style for the IG look. A couple years ago, and I realized just how heavy they are. Not only do they feel like it, but they also would really make my eyes look extra hooded and just droopy. So these are some lashes that I have really enjoyed. But 90% of the time I'm wearing lashes in my videos. They're Kiss lashes. I just love this brand. They make some really nice, comfortable, fluffy lashes that really suit hooded eyes. But I also have Ardell, and I did include Colourpop. I know Ulta doesn't carry the Colourpop lashes, but I think because they have so many and Colourpop is so popular, it's pretty easy to just order off of their website. They have a lot of sales, and Ulta has a bunch of sales too. You can go to Walgreens and CVS and find these Ardell and Kiss lashes. So without further ado, let's get into them. So first up are the Kiss lashes in the style Little Black Dress, and I just really love these. They're not too long but not too short. They're pretty fluffy, pretty thick. They add just the right amount of oomph and they don't accentuate my hooded eyes. I really love them. I had to put on a lot of lashes, so excuse if they're not always completely on and you see a little bit of my skin in between the lashes. But I think you get a pretty good idea on what they look like. Next up, Ardell has some lashes that are actually for specific lid shapes. This one is called the Lift and Define L Curl, and it's for a monolid or hooded. This is what it looks like on. I really enjoy this one. The only thing is with Ardell lashes, sometimes I feel like they can be a little pokey no matter where I cut them and how I place them. I experience a lot more poking with these than with Kiss lashes or any other lashes. Then we have the Kiss lashes in Shy. I don't have the box of these anymore. I've been through so many of these. These are probably the lightest lashes out of this entire video. They're almost harder to put on because they have such a thin band. But when you do put them on, they're really soft. They're not as fluttery as I would like them to be, but they are nice to just add a little bit of oomph. Next we have the Colourpop Falsies in Miss, and these are also really nice, very flared, a little bit more sparse, not really thick, and the lash band is really nice. And this one does flare out on the outer edge a little bit. Sometimes it can cause hooded eyelids to look more hooded if you put them too far down, but in this one it works because it is pretty soft and not too dramatic. Then we have the Kiss lashes in Veil. These ones kind of flare out and taper in. These are really beautiful as well. These are a bit more on the longer side, but I just love the tapered ends. Really looks nice and natural. Then we have the Colourpop Honey Lashes, and this one, as you can see, they're pretty thick and even the lash band's a little thicker, and this one doesn't seem to have too much of a curl. It's pretty straight, which I don't love that honestly about it, and they do look just a little bit plasticky on the lid, but they are pretty nice otherwise. Next we have these Ardell Lashes. Again, this one is a different style, eye-opening effect for deep set and almond eyes. But I don't see why you couldn't wear them on hooded lids, and I did try them out. They're definitely a bit on the longer side. These are one of the ones that are maybe could possibly accentuate the hooded eye, but I still like them for more dramatic looks. Then we have more Kiss lashes. This is called Russian Volume. These are more wispy and piecey, really beautiful, and these kind of flare out on the outer corner. Next on to Dame, I think it's pronounced, from Colourpop. And these ones you can see, this is an uncut lash and they're super long, so definitely recommend trimming them. You don't want them to sit too low or these will make your eyes look droopy. My application on these wasn't exactly perfect, but you can see these are pretty long, but they are on the softer side. And then more Colourpop lashes, we have Lover. This one is one of my favorite kinds of styles, and it's where it tapers on both sides and flares out in the center. I feel like this one is especially flattering for hooded lids. And so this is what it looks like on the lid. I think it looks really nice, and it kind of adds more attention to the center of the lid so it doesn't bring down the outer edge. Next up is Chica from Colourpop, and these ones are a little bit on the straighter side, and you can see they have a little bit of a thicker lash band. They are basically a similar style to the previous one, but definitely longer on both sides. So this one again is a little bit on the more dramatic side for hooded eye, and you can really see how much this flares out on the outer corner there, and I would actually probably place them on a little bit more towards the inner corner next time because I think it is starting to make my eyes look a little bit heavy and droopy. Lastly, I don't have a box for this, but these are the Kiss lashes in Muse, and I love these. These are more piecey lashes, a bit thicker, definitely add a lot of volume, but I think this just sits so nice on the hooded eyes even though it is so much thicker, but they don't feel and look too long. And so those are all the lashes I wanted to talk about. Obviously, I haven't tested out all the lashes that are available on Ulta or Colourpop. These ones are just the ones that I have picked out that I thought would be most flattering on hooded eyes and that I really enjoy. So even within these lashes, some of them are definitely more hooded eye friendly than others. I think it really will also depend on your application and the placement on your lid, or the type of hooded lid. But if you're interested in some lashes but you don't like anything too dramatic, then I definitely recommend any one of these, and they should be pretty easily attainable, like I mentioned in the beginning, either at Ulta, Walgreens, CVS, or Colourpop's website. And that's everything for this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested to keep watching, I will leave up some of my other videos up on the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.